What it is, YouTube, TikTok, no. We are outside of Home Depot. We just need to grab some paint so we can do this Valentine's Day set.
Hey,
didn't lock the car door.
I love you guys.
Yeah, love you so much. I'm gonna make this beautiful Valentine's Day set with some tires, but we finna go in.
Pop it right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the mood.
I should ask, huh? Excuse me, which section is the spray paint in?
Spray paint?
Yeah.
One aisle over that way.
Thank you. One aisle.
That's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mix with the news. Used to let her feeling like a zoo type mix. Shot, stripping, take a shroom. Shot to make it work, 9 to 5 type shit. Eating all the perks off the food type shit. Eating all the perks off the food type shit. All the homies crushing on some food type shit. Flooding up the bodies like a pool type shit. All the homies crushing on some food type shit. All the homies crushing on some food type shit.
Just need a matte pink. It ain't nothing. Okay, wait. It's not
slow flow, shit, so tight shit. Real off my dread like some boy type shit. Cook a nigga up like food.
Berry pink. I want that light pink that I had. Bring back. Come back. Okay. So the issue now is that there's only one of these, so I'm gonna have to find the same color in just normal paint. We can roll it on though, but now we need some clear coat. Ooh. Never. Alright, Home Depot, y'all ain't had a spray paint I needed, but got a gallon, so we're gonna make it shake. Relax. Made a quick trip stop. Oop, don't want to get you in the video. Quick trip stop. Need some food, something to drink before we head to the studio. We are at the studio, trap house. Time to paint some tires, and I got a battery to test out the thing, and the door is locked. Live with Mary Jane. She done the same thing. She up.
It is in LA, huh?
She make my heart sing whenever it's low. She catch me not surprised. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, these are tires we gotta paint.
I know it.
That's it. Yeah.
I know it.
Is that Friday?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the first one I said. Bet. You gotta paint these tires. There we go. Alright, y'all. Y'all sitting on my little cart. So today the plan is to paint some of these tires right here behind me, and then after we paint the top.
I don't hang with rats, that's some new type shit. Get a nigga whacked on the news type shit. Sipping, drinking, activists on some screw type shit. Just a sad hoe, running through the crew type shit. Got a bad bitch at home, voodoo type shit. shit. Take down mega stare, youngs by the group, type shit, type shit.
Touch all over my shirt, Rasta type shit. Money all in my dream, Rasta type shit. I can take a hold of Turks, shell monster type shit.
Type shit. Type shit. She don't speak no English, man, the top type shit. She fuck me ran her mouth cause I'm a boss type shit. Pop it, right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the mood. Serotonin, that's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mix it with the loose. Used to land up feeling like a zoo type mix. Shawty, stripping, taking shrooms.
You could bet that, never gotta see
You be the cash, I be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you could be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard. You can be the top, I can be the ball. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes. Put your pretty little hand in it. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war day, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. It's this love, it's a short thing.
Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that. Bet that, never gotta see that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, brighter, baby. Be the cool, if I'm a lyric, baby. Be the new more things. I'm a sinner, eyes, I'm a winner. It's you, what did I do to deserve that? Paper, baby, I be the pen. Say I am the one, cause you weren't feeling up today. Even when the sky can't fall, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. With your pretty little hand, even when I'm down to the wire, baby. Even when I do war.
Okay, we at Dollar Tree. I need to get some chip brushes so we can finish these tires. Paint brushes, chip brush, just cheap. That's what they call. Well, that's what we call them for special effects. They like little cheap. There you go. It don't matter, right? Nothing even matters. $1.25. What? Alright, come on, me. So we back at the studio after hitting Dollar Tree. I need to get one of the wall flats up and I need to repaint some of these tires. Well, I need to repaint most of them though. But that's how they looking. That's fire. Alright, so I got my little floor piece here that's gotta get painted too. And I gotta get one of these wall flats over there. I think we got a problem here. I think my drill is dead. I don't think I'm doing nothing after this. We gonna try. go. So we gonna get a roll on it.
Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Just a shame. Ooh yeah.
That is a wrap day 2 of the Valentine's Day set build. The tires are almost completely ready. We got our wall flat in. You can see the gray, it's overexposed. Gray wall. Then we got our floor piece we need to paint, last tire. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.